Kavin. Okay, come on up. They didn't know, when I'm going to call them. So Kavin, what do you want to do for us?
I'm going to say the 100 digits of pi.
The first 100 digits of value of pi. Wow. All right. So that's first 50. We want first 100. All right. Okay. So bring the mic closer to your mouth and dazzle them.
5923 0628 620 86 28 03 4825 3421 170679.
All right, Kavin, did you ever see this before the workshop in your life? Did you ever, so what grade are you in?
I'm going to 10th grade.
Going to 10th grade. Did you ever imagine yourself going through a couple days of training, not even a couple days, because in those 2 days we did a lot more than just this. So maybe in an hour and a half of training on how our brain works, what triggers our right brain. Did you ever think this was possible?
How much time did it take to buy her this?
Like 30 or 45 minutes.
Wow.
And it is not, like I said, linear arrangement, which generally happens in word memorization. It's random, right? So let's test him on that. Random. All right. So, Kavin, I want you to start from 6-9.
Okay.
And go all the way to 25, right? So parents, 6-9 to 25, all right? Or better still, if you want to test him on anything, we didn't set this up. So whatever you want him to start at, and then that. Or is it okay, 6-9 to 25? Okay, everyone okay?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll give it 26 to 99.
All right, so 26 to 99. All right.
26 26 4 3 3 8 3279 50 2884 1971 6939 93 7510 58 2884
5-8, right?
58 oh 5820 974944 59 2307 8164 0628620899.
Sorry, Kevin, I put you on spot here. You didn't know I was going to do this. But the level of confidence I have about each of the children here, each one of my students here, is that they are well equipped to now handle complexity. And you saw that, right? One more round of applause.